And first, I'd like to call upon Mr. Rube Master, Master Automobile Works. His bike's name is Hammerhead 800. And here he is, Zeb Master. This is Zeb Master from Master Automobile Works, and the bike's name is Hammerhead 800. The motorcycle has some unique features. It's built on the engine of the Maruti 800, a dual propeller, all-wheel drive system on both wheels. Final drive ratio is increased 4x on both the wheels. Shaft-driven all-wheel drive motorcycle. Now that is pretty interesting, taking car technology into motorcycling. Very clever. And the first of its kind bike all over the world. A hub-centric steering mechanism which eliminates road shocks experienced by the rider. Double swing arm on both front and the rear of this motorcycle. Can also maneuver in reverse. I wouldn't recommend you doing that, but it's a cool feature. You can ride your bike in reverse. Now, that's a cool thing. I don't know how you guys came up with that. It has a 4-speed front transmission. It has an overdrive system at all stages on the gear speeds. It's got a diamond-shaped space frame for better durability, and it has a 3-in-1 channel surround sound system with Bluetooth audio. How cool. Okay, Rusev, this is quite a unique thing. You've taken a Maruti 800 engine, put it into a bike idea. A lot of people must have said, what are you thinking? What was your thought when you created this motorcycle?
Actually, I am a student. I wanted to build new stuffs out of normal stuff. So I thought about the all-wheel drive system in a motorcycle so that we can make it in all motorcycles for better performance and better durability. On off-road, this is typically made for high-speed purpose. Its all-wheel drive system makes it pretty much light-weighted and pretty much fast, as the weight of the Maruti 800 is much more than this motorcycle, and its final drive ratio is 4 times the ratio of the engine, means 1 rotation of the wheel equals to 1/4 rotation of an engine. And it has got a Bluetooth speakers which we made at our home. This whole thing is built by myself, whole thing created by myself, whole thing fabricated and designed by myself. We patented it in also world patent intellectual property rights, and it was published on 26th October. It can run in reverse, as it is typically built for easy maneuvering for this motorcycle.
Awesome. So, how old are you? Do you have your license first? Yeah, you do, right?
Actually, I am 20 years old. I am studying bachelor's in automobile, and I do have a license for that.
I'm just kidding. But this is a fantastic machine, and I hope that your innovations get picked up. And a big round of applause, because these are the guys who take motorbiking and motorbiking spirit to the next level, tinkering away in their workshops, coming up with ideas of creating machines, and also it celebrates the ingenuity and the kind of energy that Indian youngsters have when it comes to creating amazing things. So big round of applause to this guy. Woo! Good time. Just park your bike over here. Yeah, just stop. Yeah. Alright, just park it here, and I'd like you to stay back on stage. And I'd like to call our